Madam nak mana?
Kita orang semua orang kata.
Oh, mai kan IC Oshina, dona aina jo.
Ocean naik kan?
Wait, wait.
Udah, kamu nikah gini. अरे कितना लोग हैं टोटल बताओ?
What's this?
Sir, you are not required. Can get down, sir.
Myntri Rangbah kajela ukon rat sangma kata sngai ka arfar terik ujeliu arhajar arfar ula hiar bundi cer dakali bundi cer yai jaka buca penjot haus lapbah hania sngai ukon rat ula penut por hali hadu arkenta bot hania sngai ula labbon ki jaka ki puta ki surok ki dikwe bot ki jaka rep jaka riang ki bola ca penjot la daw jong uslaba haine sngai bola dem habu ya de bot ki surok kajong penbha kan cimpor daibne bun la bun pendap kipat ba buchong hani jaka kiatu bupat chaujire nanani kajong jia haunis nam hadu bu gijong penjulor kalak ktah hadu kata
We are on the Silsang and we took this bridge over Silsang going to Rewak area, and this has been done by the border area, and a very important lifeline for the people out here. You can see that the water level goes up to the level of the bridge, and it crossed over. That's how high the water went. And this has been badly damaged, and we will do whatever it takes and necessary to ensure that this bridge is repaired at the earliest, as this is a major lifeline for the people out here. Rewak ya tolong first time ya. Aro ya tolong ko kango border area development itu ayat leba ya sudah tibang tolong ko pun maximum pun damage ka nga ha. Aro ya ni asal baka mandarangan bisa lang to diko sa kala makzain jo. Minimun ya ko daot nga panggija so many bisa pun state government itu nga makabeslang si ya to immediately repair kakin sila ko de kumbaga public lang aro kumbaga tungkol bisa lang silangan dia sebab 10 na pimong koreng at silang ba sebab ang sila aro ito kos kana dokumat. We are in Garo right now, and we are trying to access some of the locations which are completely cut off because the roads are completely blocked, and the only way to access those locations is by boat, and people are going through this almost every day. So number one, we want to also go and see that, and number two, we want to assess the road damages out there physically and see the whole thing myself, so that we're able to take necessary action at the earliest. And the extent of damages is great, really high. Many roads have been washed out, many areas, the landslides are huge, and I think this is one of the most devastating kind of flood situations that we may have faced in recent past. And it will take some time to restore. The district has been out of power for almost 5 days now. We are hopeful that in a few days, maybe a day or so, we should be able to restore the power back here. And we're hopeful that even the road connectivity, at least the clearance of the roads should be done at the earliest. So right now, as I said, we are here to take this this journey here, and it'll take us about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours to get to Siju. So that's what we're here for today. Thank you very much.
Jani kita sisku kompleks Sumairong makawan isi. Kalau kita kan si banga ya jolo rongora siju area jolo aro jenis kolesto banga arang dia sirang dalen nokrang pun ospa kama dalang pun ospa jo electric train rako osto ata ya kunina sini negara community manager sini kolesto na ospa pero dao haru koloni sijona sorok majain ba dao terkata doangi aro sini ano manager yarang ko mandarme ko aro ya tosto mana ko nila kata ibaha aro dao dengan haru koloni itu bersupai sijuri rio dia sama dalang ramotonga orang ko dao nila supai.
So we are on the banks of the Simsang river, and of course we have come to survey the flood damages and situation. And right across the river is the Palpagram National Park. So that all those trees that you can see and all that the forest that has been, of course, affected by the high floods. You can see the level to which the water level went up. So that's like almost 20 feet up. But it's a beautiful Palpagram National Park. Very good like this. I think we would have got a view like this ever. Yeah. So after 2 hours of travel, now we have reached up Siju, and it took us about 2 hours to get here. And this is the first location. As I said, this is cut off from both sides. Hence, the only way to get here is to get through boat. And that's what we are. And now we're going to walk for a few kilometers and then see some of the affected areas out here. How's that?
This is